In today's video, I'll show you how to create a form on monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned user, forms are an excellent way to streamline data collection and make your workflow more efficient. First, log into your monday.com account and head to your dashboard, the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Look for the plus icon, which lets you add new items to your workspace. Clicking on it opens a menu of options. Hover over the form option. You'll have the choice to either start a new form from scratch or start with a template. For this guide, we'll use a template to keep things quick and easy. Browse the available templates and select one that fits your data collection needs. Templates are designed for different purposes, so picking the right one helps you gather the information you need effectively. Once you've chosen, click Use Template to start customizing your form. And that's it! Your form is now ready to collect responses efficiently. You can use it for team feedback, surveys, client input, or general data.